What is going on, everyone? My name is Jake, and today you guys want to know if the DJI Mavic Mini can hold up in the snow. This little 249 gram drone, how will it do with the strong winds blowing and the snow falling down? We're out here on a cold Minnesota day. The snow is coming down perfectly, and I don't think there are better conditions to test out this little guy and see how it does. I don't know how it's gonna do. I have some faith in it because it is an incredible drone so far, but we won't know until we try it out, so let's go get to it. Alright guys, the Mavic Mini is all set up and ready to go. The snow is still coming down, so let's go put it out there and see how it holds up. Gonna take off here. Everything looks clean. Let's go send it up. As you can see, we're flying in the residential area today. All right, we've now hit 50 meters high and we just got a strong wind warning. We still haven't gone too far. You can see there was a little signal interference there right off the bat. This may be due to the high altitude. And we're now getting a strong wind warning. We're gonna bring it down a little just to see if we can keep the connection good. We're getting some signal interference. See if we can get this garbage truck here. All right guys, it just says RC signal lost. We're gonna hold it still. We got a strong wind warning and the RC signal is lost. Guys, it did not take long for this thing to have some trouble. Of course, you have to keep in mind there are a lot of factors affecting this thing right now. Oh, and there goes the screen. It says we're no longer connected. And there we go, we're back on. We're gonna start coming back towards us now. Again, RC signal lost. Yeah, this thing is glitching out, guys. This is not looking too good. Whoa. Okay, as you can see, the drone just kind of shook to the side there. That was a little scary. I'm sure that was from some strong winds. And now we're a lot closer back to where we are. Signal looks good, but we still have the strong wind warning. All right, now we're just gonna do a straight shot here. This is going right in the direction of the snow, guys. I'm gonna go up above this house here and right over the trees. It's gonna be a main road here. We'll see if we can catch any cars. There's one. And we're getting some signal interference again. So now we're just hovering, we're sitting still. We do get a lot of signal interference today, guys. Strong wind, lots of snow, and definitely a decent distance away from where we're flying at. We are experiencing some signal interference. All right, again, we're over 100 meters in distance and we're getting that signal interference. We're still getting the shot though. We are recording right now. So I would say if it comes down to it, if you need to film something in the snow, you need to get that drone shot. If you're not going too far away from where you have the controller, you could still get the shot. Ooh, guys, we're shaking up there, we're shaking. Guys, it's a 249 gram drone. It's doing all right for being so high up on such a windy day. All right, guys, so we've now reached a distance of 200 meters. We don't have signal interference yet. This is me flying direct on, and there's nothing really obstructing the signal right now from the controller to the drone. So we're beyond 300 meters with a direct signal to the drone with no obstruction. It is doing all right. We still have a good signal. We just still have the strong wind warning, which is apparent with this snow coming down. All right, and with that, I'm gonna start bringing it back in here. The wind seems to be holding it pretty strong right now. It's having a tough time, guys, flying against this wind. I've got full throttle pushed down right now, and we are stuck dead. We are stuck where we are, guys. It can turn left and right, but trying to go against this wind, it is having some trouble. All right, looks like it died down now. We're coming in nicely, slowing down again. I'm gonna see if I can bring it to a lower altitude and we'll see how it does. It's doing a little bit better. And we're now at 34% battery. All right, guys, I'm bringing it back in here. We are gonna call it wrap since this thing is about to die. That is almost 15 minutes of flight time. While there was a lot of signal interference, it did still hold up. We did not crash it. We did not ever completely lose signal to where I could not fly it back. Alright, guys, we just successfully landed the drone, which means yes, the DJI Mavic Mini can fly in the snow. It's crazy, it's such a small drone, but it did it. We were out there for about 15 minutes. As you saw, we did get some RC signal interference, a lot of strong wind warnings, and we did lose vision a couple of times, which was scary. But in the end, we made it back. So if you do need to get the shot in the snow, you can do it with the Mavic Mini. You can get your drone shots and do it with a tiny little drone that only costs $400, which is crazy to me, but it's impressive. I hope this video answered you guys' questions. If it did or helped you out, please leave this video a like and feel free to subscribe. That would be amazing. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.